Hi everyone, it's Dima with Westwind Moto. Today I'm riding with this Hussar Panniers set. As always, we're here riding off-road because the point of this video is to check the weaknesses of this set and check what we can improve in the future. So first of all, this is 28 35 liter set. Here on the right we have 28 liters. The offset mount, let me show you. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3. That's it. It's down here. So here on the back we have the back plate. You see it got some scratches, but it's normal wear. Then here in the middle we have the pannier itself. Here we have the harness or the holster, whatever you call it. You have 4 buckles here on the pannier. You undone them. Here we go. Just like this. So you see the harness part and the back plate here. You see I went through some bushes here and got some scratches, but it's all right because I got scratches on the outer layer on the harness. Now drop it there. That was a drop test. So we also have the dry pack inside. Let me take it out. So this is the inner dry pack. We have it on the both sides. Here you can see it's 28 liters. Another one is 35 liters. It's completely waterproof, and another cool feature that we have here is the mounting points. We have 4 of them here, 2 on the left and 2 on the right. So if you don't want to put it inside the pannier, you can mount it, let's say, on the top rack of your motorcycle right here. Another feature of this pannier set from Westwind Moto is the semi-rigid design with the PP plates inside and this harness on the outside. So basically what I mean is that it keeps the form, it stays hard and strong on the bike. There's another panel on the back of the pannier to keep it structured, right here. Here in the front and in the back we have 2 reinforced points, and when you drop your bike on the side, this will be the first contact point with the ground and it will protect your gear and your pannier. And we also added these straps for the 35 liters bag, so when you're not riding, you just can take it and use it as a backpack. It's actually very comfortable to wear. And the straps, they're weightless. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay everyone, and if you think it's not enough for you, 28 and 35 liters or 30 and 35 liters or 35 and 35 liters are still not enough for you, every set comes with this Ranger Wilds 3. 2 of them comes with 1 set, so basically you have an extension of 6 liters in your luggage capacity. Now let's put them back on the rack and see how much time I need for it, okay? Okay, I'm sure you can do it faster. Now the Hussar Panniers, who is this set for? If you ride on-road, off-road, but you prefer a larger capacity than our rackless systems, you're gonna choose this set. It's tough, it's reliable, so maybe this set is for you. So I went through some bumps today, I hit some bushes, I dropped the bike on the right side. I am going to take this set for a couple of more off-road sessions here. And after that, let's see how durable this set is. Alright, I'll continue riding now. If you have any questions or you want to check the specs of this set or any other Westwind Moto products, go to westwindmoto.com. And if you have any questions about this video, maybe I forgot to mention something, just leave a comment down below and we will answer you as soon as possible. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye.